back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma Connie.
Hi everyone.
My grandma Rudd, and then my aunt Roberta. And today we're going to be making potato soup.
Just a good cold day for soup, and so we thought we'd make that.
And before we start this video, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel and check out the links in the description.
Okay, let's get started. Follow me. So we had to come in the bedroom because it got a little bit noisy in our studio. So to start the soup, we got to peel 5 pounds of potatoes. This will make a pretty good sized pot, so if you don't need that much, you can do less. So I'm going to peel one in here, and then I'll get them finished up, and then we'll be back with you before we start the soup. Okay, so once you get the potatoes peeled, then you just want to dice them up in a large cooker. And so when we get that done, we'll be back. Okay, once you get them peeled, just put water up over them, and I just sprinkle some salt on there. We put them on high or medium, and they'll need to cook probably about 20 minutes. Okay, the potatoes are cooked, so I'm going to drain them in here, but you want to save the juice, or the water, I guess it is. Okay, then in the same cooker, I'm going to put a stick of butter. I'm going to saute some onions with the butter so they get soft. So take about 5 minutes. Okay, once you get your potato or your onions sauteed in the butter, then you want to add about 3 heaping tablespoons of flour, all-purpose flour. And stir that in, and just for a minute or two, cook that a little bit. I think I'm going to add 4. I always just pick up the bag and pour it, so let's do 4 for this much potatoes, this many. Okay, then we're going to put the potatoes back in and add in our half and half. We're going to use a quart of half and half. Then I'm going to take the reserved potato water and add some of it back in. So we're going to dip in about 3 scoops to start out. We'll see. I'm going to add some pepper to it. And then I've got a jar of cheese dip. I'm going to add it in. 15 ounces. So you want to turn it, make sure you turn it down like low to medium for this part so it doesn't stick. In fact, I'm going to just use all of it, I think. Got everything in there now. It may need more salt, but we'll try it after the cheese gets dissolved because that makes it a little more salty. 30 to 40 minutes, and it'll be ready to eat.
Okay guys, we're back after making the potato soup, and it looks like it turned out really well. It smells good. We have a nice setup, so I think now we're ready to try it.
Might need more pepper. I forgot to bring it over here.
Oh, I need a little pepper on mine.
Do you want me to get
Can I get up and get it?
Yeah.
Have some crackers.
I sprinkled some cheddar cheese in it too, so you might want to do that before you eat it. And we made crescent rolls with ours. So.
Oh, we love crescent rolls with soup.
Yeah.
Gotta have pepper when you eat soup.
And then we all
You
have
like pepper?
milk to drink.
Oh,
yes, I love milk.
Love milk.
We gotta have our chairs.
Oh yeah.
Cheers.
Chairs,
Cheers.
milk.
Just spilled it all over.
Oh, if we get 2,000 prescribers, I will.
Subscribers.
Subscribers.
I will go home and drink more milk.
Alright. So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. And make sure you share this video. And check out the links in the description. And we'll see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye.
Bye.
Follow me. I'm going this pretty purple room. Okay. So to start the soup, we got to peel 5 pounds of potatoes. This will make a pretty good sized pot. So if you don't, need that much, you can do less. So we had to come in the bedroom because it got a little bit noisy in our studio. Just look at them in there talking. Just saying, not even helping.
Pick this big fat lady up. I died. I want you girls to check me out to make sure it's good because my boys, they'll just think anything is good.
I'm pretty strong.
He has to drink with us. We're quite the drinkers.
What are you doing, Roberta?
Trying to find me some lipstick.
So,
Oh, we love crescent rolls with soup.
You like pepper?
Milk to drink.
Oh,
Hey,
yes, I love
milk.
milk. Milk is number 1. Yummy, yummy. Here's milk.
Just spilled it all over.
I had a cheese string on my
I like to eat with other people.
Yeah, I like to eat with people, but I like to eat by myself too.
What is a closet eater? Do you go into your closet?
I could go home and drink a gallon of this. Duh. Can you see the moon? Can you see Florida? And the sign said,
Oh, if we get 2,000 prescribers, I will.
Subscribers.
Subscribers.
I will go home and drink more milk.
Subscribers.
Subscribers.
What'd I say? Come and join us someday. We enjoy having visitors.
Do you want to say bye?
Well, nice talking to you. We will be back soon.
Alright.
Okay, maybe in our next video we'll do something with the Easter theme.
So, well, we had better close this and let our other people eat. I know they're starving to death to get some of this good soup.